Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a really interesting musical instrument, the Zomis Folding Student Electronic Piano. This isn't your typical keyboard. Its standout feature is right there in the name. It folds. Imagine a full 61-key piano that can roll up to be as small and light as a book. That's exactly what this is. It's described as being as thin as a placemat when laid out, making it incredibly easy to carry around. The design focuses on portability, allowing music lovers to take their practice or performance anywhere. Whether at a family gathering, a party, or an outdoor trip, this foldable piano fits easily into a bag without taking up much space. The idea is to bring the joy of music and the ability to showcase talent anytime, anywhere, adding happiness to moments with family and friends. Despite its compact, foldable nature, this electronic keyboard aims to provide a quality musical experience. It's built with environmentally friendly and durable materials, featuring fine workmanship and smooth edges, which makes it suitable for a wide range of users, from beginners and students to adults and even professionals. It promises the excellent sound quality you'd expect from a piano, combined with the versatile functions and entertainment effects on an electronic keyboard. It features a standard 61-key layout and comes packed with features: 128 different timbres, 128 rhythms, and 30 demonstration songs, making it a truly multifunctional instrument. For sound effects, it includes vibrato and a sustain function, mimicking a traditional piano sustain pedal. It also supports various chord modes like single-fingered, multi-fingered, and synchronized chords. There's a recording function that can capture up to 98 notes, along with playback. A digital display shows the current tone and rhythm status, which is helpful for navigation. It has internal speakers, but also offers the flexibility to connect external headphones for private practice or an external amplifier for larger sound. The portable keyboard piano is designed to provide an exciting acoustic experience, giving a feel similar to a traditional piano or organ, while offering the convenience of modern electronic features in a highly portable package. Its compact design and lightweight nature make it an ideal choice for those who enjoy traveling or spending time outdoors but don't want to leave their music behind. The manufacturer also mentions support, advising customers to contact them within 24 hours with questions and offering free parts if the received keyboard is severely damaged. Overall, it presents itself as a versatile, portable, and feature-rich option for anyone looking for a keyboard that can go wherever they do.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.